Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. The Social Security Administration has just released a new announcement on monthly benefit payments. Many seniors and SSI beneficiaries can expect to receive big benefit increases very soon. Friends, this is your latest fourth stimulus check news information. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, dear friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
And now I come today to talk about the Biden economic crisis, which is hitting families in all of our states, in all of our communities, and the thing that I heard the very most about when I was home in Wyoming last week. Across the country, summer is almost here. It's time for barbecues, visiting friends, and family vacations for many. This year, it will be many fewer who will be able to afford what has been a natural part of their family lives. The American people have just been through the most expensive Memorial Day ever, and it's been painfully expensive for families across this country. This is just a preview of the summer of stress that families are going to be facing all across America. Hamburger meat today is at the highest price ever. Chicken, highest price ever. Gallon of gasoline, highest price ever. Gas prices, they say inflation is up a certain percentage. Gas prices have doubled since Joe Biden's become president. 100% increase in gas prices since the Democrats became in the majority in the Senate and Joe Biden was sworn in to the White House. Gas prices in America under Democrats have gone up 15 out of 16 months.
Now, friends, we have a very big update for all Social Security beneficiaries. An official with the Social Security Administration said that seniors and others who rely on the benefit program are likely to receive a cost of living adjustment closer to 8% at the end of 2022. And that is due to the current rate of inflation, which has been the highest in 4 decades. That increase would represent the biggest cost of living adjustment since the year 1981. The average monthly Social Security check is currently about $1,658, which means that beneficiaries could see an increase of $133 per month in early 2023, bringing the average check to about $1,800. The agency's COLA takes effect in December, with the updated benefits paid out beginning in January 2023. The 69 million Americans who collect Social Security received a 5.9% COLA increase in January of this year. It was the biggest jump since 1982, but inflation has raced far ahead of that number this year, hitting 8.3% in April and eroding many seniors' purchasing power. Stephen Goss, the chief actuary of the Social Security Administration, has told reporters this week, looking at the CPIW trends we're seeing so far this year, it is likely we'll have a COLA closer to 8% than to 3.8%. So the CPIW is the inflation index that the Social Security Administration uses to set its annual living adjustment. Stephen Goss's reference to a 3.8% COLA stems from the 2022 Trustees Report for the Social Security Program, which was released last week and predicted that the program would boost benefits by 3.8% at the end of this year. But that projection was made before inflation jumped to its highest level in 4 decades, and the crisis further boosted prices for fuel and groceries. Goss also stated the assumptions for the Trustees Report, especially the economic assumptions, were set in mid-February of this year, prior to certain things like the spiking inflation that we've seen very recently. A COLA of about 8% is actually good news for the beneficiaries who are currently eligible for benefits. They will receive a relatively high increase in their benefits. This would mark the highest COLA since 1981, when beneficiaries received a 11.2% bump and that's according to Social Security data. Many economists think that inflation will ease later this year as the Federal Reserve continues to raise interest rates to dampen demand for consumers and businesses. For now, it remains red hot. Inflation in May rose to 8.2%. The Labor Department is set to release the latest inflation data this coming Friday. The Social Security Administration bases its COLA adjustments on a basket of goods and services called the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. The agency will make its official COLA announcement in October of this year, basing that decision on the previous 3 months of inflation data. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Is an 8% COLA increase sufficient for Social Security beneficiaries? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen urged Congress to approve $80 billion in funding for the Internal Revenue Service to help the agency reduce a huge backlog of tax returns and allow it to go after $600 billion in unpaid tax bills. Janet Yellen said the agency was dealing with massive problems, including a huge backlog in working through tax returns, and lacked the personnel it needed to carry out complicated audits of higher-earning taxpayers. The Internal Revenue Service had about 10.2 million unprocessed individual returns, including 8.2 million paper returns that are waiting to be reviewed and processed. Yellen also stated that those statistics were appalling and underscored her concerns about the estimated tax gap, which she said was mostly due to wealthier taxpayers with opaque sources of income. Friends, the keyword for this video is Virginia. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Virginia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Janet Yellen has also told lawmakers in the Senate the resources of the IRS have been cut to the point where they've largely cut back on complicated audits, the ones that are harder, of high-income taxpayers. The fact that such a large share goes to audit the Earned Income Tax Credit is very unfair. Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Tashina Fields. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.